At some point, life stops feeling like it's starting and starts feeling like it's passing. Not in a dramatic way, not in a way that scares you immediately, just quietly. You wake up, you go to work, you come home, and repeat. Days don't feel bad. They just don't feel like anything. And that's the part nobody warns you about. You don't lose your life in one big mistake. You lose it in small, comfortable patterns. Waking up late, putting things off, choosing easy over meaningful, telling yourself, I'll figure it out later. But later has a strange way of turning into never, because comfort isn't harmless. It doesn't destroy your life all at once. It slowly replaces the version of you that was capable of more. You don't even notice it happening. You just become slightly less driven, slightly less curious, slightly more okay with things you once wouldn't accept. And one day, you look back and realize you didn't fail. You just drifted. And drifting feels safe because it requires no decisions, no risk, no discomfort, no responsibility. But it also leads nowhere. That's the trade. Comfort gives you peace today in exchange for regret later. And most people accept that trade without even realizing it, because choosing differently is hard. It means saying no to distractions. It means doing things when you don't feel like it. It means facing yourself without excuses. And that's uncomfortable. But discomfort is where direction comes from. It forces you to decide, to choose, to take responsibility for the life you're building. Because whether you notice it or not, you are building something. Every day, with every habit, with every choice. The only question is, are you building it intentionally or by default? Because a life built by default rarely becomes one you're proud of. Not because you couldn't do more, but because you didn't decide to. And the truth is, no one is coming to interrupt your routine and fix it for you. No one is coming to tell you it's time. That moment you're waiting for doesn't exist. It's something you create. So if something feels off right now, don't ignore it. That feeling is not confusion. It's awareness. And awareness is where everything starts. Not motivation, not discipline, awareness. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. You start noticing where your time goes, where your energy goes, where your life is going. And from there, you get a choice. Keep drifting, or start directing. It won't feel perfect. It won't feel easy, but it will feel real. And in a world where most people are just passing time, that alone sets you apart.